Unraveling Your Mistakes, the key to SAT and ACT mastery. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential aspects of test preparation: reviewing incorrect answers. You see, every mistake is a stepping stone to success, especially when it comes to SAT and ACT. Let's learn how to unravel our errors and turn them into our strengths. Understanding why you got a question wrong is often more valuable than simply knowing the correct answer. By reviewing our mistakes. 1. We identify patterns in our errors. 2. We can focus on our weaknesses, turning them into strengths. 3. We prevent the same mistakes in the future, saving precious time on the test day. When you come across an incorrect answer, here's a systematic approach to dissect it. 1. Read the question again. Often, mistakes occur because we misread or misunderstood the question. Did you answer what was truly being asked? 2. Examine the choices. Look at the option you selected and the correct one. What made you choose the incorrect option? Were you confused by the wording, or did you not know the concept? 3. Conceptual gap or careless error. Determine if your mistake was due to a gap in understanding or a simple oversight. Careless errors can be reduced with practice, while conceptual gaps need focused study. 4. Note down the mistake. Maintain an error log. Write down the question, your thought process, and the correct approach. Over time, you'll notice patterns in your mistakes, guiding your studies more effectively. After analyzing several incorrect answers. 1. Target weak areas. Use your error log to pinpoint areas that consistently trouble you. Dedicate extra study time to these topics. 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more you familiarize yourself with the types of questions and common distractors, the better you'll get at spotting and avoiding pitfalls. 3. Seek feedback. Sometimes, another perspective can shed light on a recurring mistake. Discuss your errors with teachers, peers, or tutors. Remember, mistakes are part of the learning journey. Embrace them with these tips. 1. Stay curious. Instead of getting frustrated, be curious about why you made a mistake. 2. Celebrate progress. Don't just focus on your errors. Celebrate the questions you get right and the improvements you make over time. 3. Stay persistent. Rome wasn't built in a day. With consistent effort and the right strategies, you'll see improvements in your scores. And there you have it. As we wrap up, always remember that every incorrect answer hides a lesson waiting to be discovered. Approach them with an analytical mind and a positive attitude. Your dedication and hard work will undoubtedly pave the way for your SAT and ACT success. Until next time, happy studying.